Marco Colbert, Speedokote Finish Network. All right, so we got my latest project. This is a really just, I know it looks rough, but kind of a quick job. Got me this fender bender 2015 Honda Civic. I literally stole this thing. I can't even tell you guys how cheap I got this thing. I got it stupid cheap. It's put together, nothing lined up. It looked really, really terrible. So I took it all back apart. We got some welds here, which they just welded, didn't even put primer over them or anything, smoothed them out real nice with some body filler. Just trying to get it looking a little bit better. We're not doing any painting today. However, I did want to show you guys why the SMR 220, 230, 240, why Speedokote sells the best primer in a can. This is the best primer in the world. You will not get anything better out there. So, here's the goal. We're going to try and do 5 coats of primer in under 10 minutes. Alright, here we go. First coat. I like to do the first coat kind of light. I don't like to put it on too crazy wet. Just kind of just get it on there. Alright, let that dry. Alright, so far it's been on there about 10 seconds. I'm going to let it sit for another probably 20 seconds. This is literally already almost, yeah, it's flashed already. Already flashed. And that's it. We're ready for a second coat. 30 seconds later, we're ready for a second coat. I'm going to grab my respirator. It's getting kind of muggy. Alright.
Alright, second coat, we're going to go a little wetter. Alright, here we go.
That's still a little wet, but give it another 30 seconds. This will be dry to the touch. This will be really dry to the touch. This stuff dries like lightning fast. And that coat was like really, really wet. See, right where I touch it? Yep, dry. Just like that. It's not like dry, but dry enough to where you could just touch it with your finger. And, yep, that's it. Alright, so we're 60 seconds into the second coat. It is fully 100% dry. This stuff just dries ridiculously fast. Let's go to a third coat.
Now your second coat, you want to try and put it on the third coat, you want to put it on the same as your second. I don't like to go too wet with this stuff, but just wet enough. Alright, third coat, let's go.
Alright, there's third coat. Already, let's give it a quick touch. Alright. Guys, this stuff is literally drying to the touch in like 10-20 seconds. Craziness. That's 3 coats right there in less than 5 minutes. Now, this stuff does like to bubble up a little bit if you put too much on too fast. And if you put it on too thick. So one thing I'll say I don't like about this primer, but that's honestly user error. I was going pretty heavy, probably heavier than I should. But to resolve that, just let it fully flash off and do another coat over top of it. That next coat will fill in those little dimples in the primer, and it's a very fixable issue. All right, guys, so we're literally about 5 minutes in. We're gonna go for the fourth coat.
All right, fourth coat, here we go.
There we go, fourth coat. Still a little wet, as you guys can see. But this stuff will literally flash off before your eyes on camera. So you guys can see it's already starting to dull out and flash off right as I'm talking to you guys. This stuff is just incredible.
All right, last pin. Let's do this. So we're gonna make this one good. Done.
Got a couple drippies out of the spray can. Sure that'll sand out, but yeah, that's it guys. 5 coats of primer in less than 10 minutes. Unbelievable. SMR 230. You guys want the best aerosol primer in the entire world, grab it. So we got this thing all sanded out with 600, everything feathered out really nice, real smooth. So there you guys have it. Catch me on the next video, stay tuned. We're gonna be putting this thing together. We're gonna be painting the hood, painting the fender. I'm not gonna be blending the passenger side door. I'm not trying to put that much time into it. I thought about painting the whole car. I was like, yeah, you know, whatever, just buzz it all down with 600. It'll only take me 2 hours to do. Just buzz the whole car down with 600, scuff the edges real quick, tape it up. I was like, I wanna get this thing on the road next week and enjoy it before the winter hits. So yeah, so we're just gonna be doing bare minimum for right now. I might paint the whole car next year. So stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna be doing the hood, fender, bumper, getting this thing put together, and showing you guys the final result of my I'll just say sub $6,000 Civic. Not sure exactly how much I'm gonna have it when it's done, said and done. I do need to put a windshield in it. I need to get a airbag for it because that unfortunately went out. But I don't think I'll have more than $6,000 into it. Anyways, that's going to be it for this one, guys. Catch you guys later. Like, subscribe, new videos every week. Bye.